Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day. Okay guys, so I today wanted to try something. It has been burning a hole in my brain. And when I unboxed the AZUREBEAUTY dip powders the other day and I realized I had a brown, I knew it was time. So I have a base and everything ready on my tip, and now I'm just going to use my pencil to just do a rough guideline of where I'm going to want my tree branch. So I've got my guideline down. So now I'm going to show you what I did to the brush. I just literally took off some of the bristles. Now this was to make it really thin because for the dip, you already know if you put too much liquid, you're going to build up the nail more than you probably want. So I did trim the brush down. So I was able to, as I said, get thinner lines. So I've sped up this bit and I'm going to let you just watch and I will come back in where I need to. So I did draw some little white blobs. I didn't want to make it defined at all because I knew I was going to go on top of that with some of that pink dip powder. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm putting the glue down and I am using that pink dip powder. I do just, when I finish, activate everything, make it nice and hard. I lightly buffed that surface and then I used a no wipe gel top coat that I could put in the UV lamp because I still had other stuff I needed to do on this nail. It's about to go down, so don't miss when you hear that sound. What you don't know, we don't care. Throw your hands in the air. I did want to add some more 3D elements onto this nail. And so I decided to use some of my carving gel. So I have kind of like a hot pink, a baby pink, and the white. So I just took little pieces of each and just squished it together and rolled it. And on this non-stick paper, I am just cutting out little tiny bits, using some alcohol, smoothing it out, getting it nice and thin, and I am just going to place that on top of where I had just done that dip. So this is all for me, just creating more texture, and it is quite tedious, but I actually found this so relaxing. So once I finished covering all those spaces with the carving gel, I cured for a full 60 seconds. And now I am just using some glitter gel polish just to add some glitter to that brown, because it's beautiful and everything, but I just felt like I needed some shimmer. So then, you know, I started to look at my blossoms, and I did feel like I was happy with it, but I wanted a bit more pink. So I used a beautiful pink that my nail sister Envy sent to me from Nail Addict, and it was just perfect. So I did use my dotting tool and just put some of that pink down, but I am going to also wet my brush in the alcohol and just dab it, because now I don't want it to be, I kind of want it to just kind of stain the area and not be an actual dot. So that's what you're going to see me do shortly.
Yeah.
So that's all I did, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, me trying to do a 3D Sakura tree, aka cherry blossom tree. This is a tribrid set because I used gel polish, I used dip powder, and I used sculpting slash carving gel. So I'm calling it a tribrid set. I absolutely love it. I'm looking at it right now, and I definitely am going to do some more with carving gel. I've got lots of ideas, but this was burning a hole in my brain, and I'm happy I did it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this design. This was just an idea, and I just thought, you know what, let me just try it. And I did do a swatch earlier on today, but that was just really to get theory into practice. So now I'm just literally using a UV gel top coat, no wipe top coat, just to give it that finished look. And I absolutely love this nail. But yeah, like I said, guys, please let me know in the comments what you think about it, and keep your bells on so you can get notified when I upload. I love you all. Mwah. Mama Does Nails is out. Please catch me in the next one, guys. Bye.
Everybody scream for more, get your back